welcome back to Learn with Sharon. Today we are going to discuss about data structures and algorithms. So what is a data structure? Data structure is nothing but it is a way of organizing the data into the computer, and it can be reused whenever needed in an effective way. So for example, we are considering a shop or a supermarket. There can be a lot of data coming in and going out. So, for example, there can be price list, customer details, staff details. All those data are to be entered into the systems or the computers in the supermarket. So, if you want to add a new product, for example, you have to update the system, and you have to change the price list. Then again, update. You have to search the current product list, and then you have to enter the updated price. Likewise, every entrepreneurial application use some sort of data structure applications in some other ways. All these applications can include like insertion of data, searching of data, sorting of data, and updating. And then if you want to remove that particular item or data, you have to delete the data. So all these are the applications that comes under the data structures. So in this course, we are going to discuss the basic concepts of algorithm analysis, then some topics like data structure, types like arrays, list, stack, queue, trees, graphs, and some advanced data structures and file handling techniques. So for further updates and videos, log on to www.learnwithsharon.in.